and kidney transplantation. But it's not the stage. As a physician, as a teacher, and every person, even in schools also, people must know what is the vascular status of body. And the vascular status one can know only by knowing your GFR, by knowing your microprotein, by knowing your urine protein, by seeing your fundus, you know your vascular status. There is an international studies called KEEP, Kidney Early Evaluation Program. And this, we have started this SEEK here, the early evaluation of the kidney. Every subject requires early evaluation of kidney. Prevention, detection, evaluation, and management. The prevention should be the goal. And then the overall management. The kidney disease management is not inside the kidney. The kidney disease management is your lifestyle. How do you carry on your life? How your blood pressure is controlled? How much do you eat? How much your body weight is there? Everything from A to Z. If you want to protect your kidney, you have to become like a saint, and a working saint, not in a saint in the cave. The susceptibility factor, the low birth weight. We must know, we must see that all our mothers should deliver a normal birth weight baby. If the baby's birth weight is low, he or she is going to develop a low number of nephrons and going to develop hypertension or diabetes in the future. Older age, more prone to develop kidney disease. The age itself, any person 50 years, more than 50 years of age, they decrease in nephron numbers and decrease in nephron functions. Obesity increases the load in the nephron, and there's hyperfiltration and hypertrophy, and there's a degeneration of nephron. Family history of chronic kidney disease, reduction in kidney mass, see the size of the kidney. Everybody must know what is the size of the kidney, what is the volume of the kidney. Racial and ethnic status, some Paima Indians, low income and educations, they are prone to have intercurrent infection, and intercurrent infection also reduce the number of nephrons. The initiating factors, diabetes, you all know. I'm not going to discuss much about diabetes, the high blood pressures, the autoimmune disease, systemic infections, urinary infections, stones, lower urinary obstruction, drug toxicity. Drugs are the most important culprit, and now the pollutions. The progressive factor, what causes progression of this factor is a proteinuria. The proteinuria is always abnormal. There is nothing called trace proteinuria or physiological proteinuria. Any protein in the urine is a toxic to the tubules.
So if you can kindly summarize, Dr. Agarwal.
The blood pressure, the glycemia, smoking, hyperlipidemia, the oxidative factor, the ROS, the underlying disease, and the most important cause nowadays is because of more surgeries, more investigations, more contrast, and there is a iatrogenic factor which we must take care of. So now I'm not going to discuss all this primary, secondary prevention, which I thought that I will get about half an hour, but now Dr. Agarwal has reduced it to 10 minutes. So I'll finish by just saying the RAS blocker, renin-angiotensin aldosterone system is one of the very important for protection, nephroprotection, and by nephroprotection you can reduce the risk of cardiovascular morbidity and mortality. And I think I must finish it because Dr. Agarwal is behind me and watching me. And this is my team of nephrologists who are working with me, and I am a team man, and kidney is a team man. If you protect your kidney, all the organs will be protected. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor Tiwari, for an inspiring talk. He gave us the concept of nephrovigilance, and he gave us 3 slogans: knowledge is power, know your GFR, and KEEP, Kidney Early Evaluation Program. Here, one slogan is not valid, which is very popular, that is, all is well. So that slogan is not effective here. You must know and believe that all is well only after you know your GFR. So thank you very much, Dr. Tiwari, for that inspiring and knowledge.
The efforts of our moderators. I'll request the Group Director of Apollo Group of Hospitals, Dr. Anupam Sibal, and the General Manager of Punjab and Sindh Bank, Mr. Ghavri, to please come here and honor our moderators with mementos. Firstly, Dr. A.K. Grover. गुलवारी साहब आ जाइए। आप वहीं बैठोगे भाई।
ठीक है।